Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is absorbance. 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 Absorbance is a noun used in scientific and technical contexts, particularly in chemistry and physics, to describe the measurement of the amount of light or radiation absorbed by a substance. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The absorbance of a chemical solution at a specific wavelength provides valuable data about its concentration. Why absorbance is used in example number 1. In this example, absorbance is used to describe the scientific measurement of light absorption in a chemical solution. Example number 2. The absorbance spectrum of a compound reveals its absorption peaks and helps identify its chemical composition. Why absorbance is used in example number 2. Here, absorbance is used to explain how the spectrum provides information about a compound's absorption characteristics. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.